What's that fan?
Hey, it's been about 2 years since I've had this. I don't believe in cutting my hair, and I got to the point where I felt like I had to shave it because I didn't have any hope. But then I happened to stumble upon hair detangles on Groupon and thought I'd give it a try. And this is day one. The product has been soaking for a few days. I'm starting day 2. Yay, it's done. Finally. It was long, not always so fun, but I'm glad I feel free and light. I do have to say you want to think twice and see if your hair or the money's more important at the end.
So I am on a lot of medication that probably contributed to my hair situation now. I don't know what happened. I got depressed and I just like forget it. I gave up. And then I discovered you on YouTube.
How long has it been mad?
For about 2 weeks.
is like 3 lumps in one. It's a lump here, a lump there, a lump there. There's like 3 connectors. 4 connectors. So first I'm going to start with the lower one, because it will lead into 1, 2, 3, 4. So start with the lower one first. I'm just telling the people watching what I'm doing. Which one I'm gonna start with, because when you got a connector like this, it's like a bridge. People wouldn't know where to start, which way to start to be. Start putting the product on first. It softens that so you can get through that. Take that one off first.
I am so grateful for this service because it's a huge weight lifted off my shoulders. I honestly thought I was going to have to cut my hair. And I mean, to see that I actually could get my severely matted hair detangled and still keep my hair is a blessing. Like, it really is. So, everybody, no matter what, we know sometimes we get a little depressed and we let ourselves go, but good thing is that they have our back and it's people who care about our self-esteem. So thank you guys so much, because I really appreciate this. I really do.
My hair is so tangled. My hair is so matted. Oh, I got so many knots all over my head. They look like a bird nest. Oh, they look like a mountain. What am I going to do? No, 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 don't bring the scissors. Don't cut my knots. Don't cut my mats. No, I need some help. Where can I get help? Take down, take out the mats. Take down, take out the knots. Oh, massage that cream, rub that cream. Help, help, relief. Take down. Now my hair is smooth. Now my hair is long. Now my hair is shiny. Thank you. Take down.